Hey, my pretties. I'm so excited to tell you that I'll be sending a super cute gift hamper to one of you, my lovely subscribers. If you watch my videos regularly, subscribe and support my channel, stay active in the comments, then you might just win this dreamy package. The hamper includes an aesthetic water bottle, a cute girly journal, pretty pens, a soft eye mask, and face masks, lip masks, plus organic skin goodies. Let's glow up together. And one of you will get pampered in real life too. Winner will be picked soon, so stay tuned and show some love. Now, let's get into today's video. Hey, my loves. Welcome back to nudebloom, your calm little corner for glow-ups, beauty, and becoming that girl, naturally. Let's be real. Skincare doesn't always need to come in tiny jars with big price tags. Sometimes, the most magical ingredients are already waiting for us in the kitchen. Your kitchen is your apothecary, your skincare lab, your softest self-care sanctuary. Today, I'm taking you through my go-to natural skincare rituals, ones I've trusted for years. We'll talk about acne, pigmentation, dry skin, oily skin, and that beautiful radiant glow we all love. All remedies are homemade, gentle, and beginner-friendly. Let's get into it. 1. Let's start with acne and breakouts. If your skin is flaring up, irritated, or just feeling inflamed, this is for you. Try my turmeric glow mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of gram flour, and a splash of plain yogurt, or rose water if you're in the mood. Apply a thin layer to clean skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory, while gram flour helps exfoliate dead skin gently. This mask calms the skin and makes it feel instantly refreshed. 2. Hyperpigmentation, those leftover marks that just won't fade. This honey and lemon remedy is a dream. Mix raw honey with a few drops of lemon juice and a spoon of aloe vera gel. Honey heals, lemon brightens, and aloe soothes. Apply it to dark spots and let it sit for 15 minutes, twice a week. But always wear SPF after using anything citrusy. Protect your glow, babe. 3. If you struggle with dry, dull, or flaky skin, let's bring back some softness. Try this creamy oat mask. Blend 2 tablespoons of oatmeal into powder. Mix with 1 tablespoon of milk and a drizzle of honey. This mask will wrap your skin in moisture, calm irritation, and restore that baby soft texture. I love using this on cozy nights when my skin just wants love. 4. Now for my oily skin girlies. Let's find that balance. Use Multani Methi, or Fuller's Earth. Mix 1 tablespoon with lemon juice and rose water. It pulls out excess oil, tightens pores, and gives your skin that matte, fresh finish without overdrying. Leave it on until it's semi-dry. Then rinse with cool water. It's the balance your skin's been craving. 5. Fair, radiant, glowy skin. Not bleached, just healthy, fresh, and even-toned. Try this rice and milk polish. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw milk, a pinch of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Use this twice a week to exfoliate gently and brighten your skin naturally. Rice flour buffs away dullness. Milk nourishes, and turmeric brings out that subtle golden glow. Now for something extra. My favorite DIY face mist. Cucumber green tea, glow water. Brew 1 green tea bag. Blend and strain cucumber juice. Then mix both in a spray bottle. Keep it chilled. Spritz in the morning, after cleansing, or anytime your skin needs a refresh. It hydrates, soothes, and gives that dewy, glassy finish we all love. And babe, don't forget the little habits that make the biggest difference. Drink more water than you think you need. Sleep like a queen. Double cleanse gently. Let your skin rest. And protect it like a treasure. Because it is. You are. Glowing skin starts with glowing habits. It's not about being perfect. It's about being patient. You deserve to feel beautiful, with or without makeup, filters, or fancy products. Let me know in the comments which remedy you're going to try first. Or if you want more natural skincare glow-ups like this, I'll make a part 2 just for you. And if this helped even a little, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay close. We're blooming together. This is your soft girl era. Own it. Until next time, stay glowing, stay grounded, and keep blooming with me here on nudebloom.